G'day and welcome back to Project 300. A quick and very easy upgrade today, replacing the factory horn with some aftermarket alternatives. Let's face it, the 300 standard horn is pretty hopeless. It isn't very loud and it sounds like a Corolla. Fortunately, swapping it out for something much better is easy, fast and cheap. I got a pair of these snail type horns on eBay for about $25, pre-fitted with plug and play Toyota connectors. I'll put a link on the Project 300 website so you can find the correct ones. The horns produce two slightly different notes, so they sound much better than the standard horn that comes with the car. Installation is a 5 to 10 minute job and requires just a spanner with no wiring or soldering at all. So let's get started on the install and then you can hear the difference between the factory and aftermarket horns. Begin by removing the radiator cover by first releasing the 7 button clips. To do this, push down in the centre of each clip, then lift the clips out of each hole. You can then lift the cover off the vehicle and set it aside. Then remove the mounting brackets of the factory horns using a 12mm spanner. Disconnect the wiring plug from each horn by pushing the release tab, then removing the plug. Using a 14mm spanner, remove the bracket from each factory horn. Then attach the brackets to the mounting stud of the new horns. If you need to buy nuts, the thread is a standard M6. Move back to the front of the vehicle to install the new horns. Plug the original wiring connector onto each horn, then mount the horns to the original mounting locations on the radiator support bracket, using the original mounting bolts. You can then replace the radiator cover and refit the clips. Do this by pushing the centre of each clip all the way out, then put the clips into each hole and push the centre of each clip down until it's sitting flush. So how easy was that? A very cheap, quick and simple upgrade for the 300 and a much better sounding horn as a result. You'll find a link to order the correct parts on the Project 300 website. See you next time.